Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm a professor here at College of the Redwoods in our Forestry and Natural Resources department. I have the opportunity to teach dendrology, which is the study of all of our woody plant species and working to identify those, so our trees and our shrubs. In addition to teaching Intro to Wildland Fire, all of our GIS classes, Forest Health and Protection, as well as a Tech and Applications class. On a great day, and as many days as I can fit into the semester, we spend it outside enjoying these amazing redwoods and all of the communities that are found amongst them. Awesome, so let me show you a little about my favorite part of the redwoods. First things first, let's talk about their bark. So this right here is actually a member of our cypress family. So redwoods are more closely related to cypresses than they actually are our pine species. So you'll notice that this bark has got this beautiful red color. It's fibrous in nature, it's quite stringy, and this is due to those tannins that actually the bark is composed of, which helps to fight against diseases and also insect outbreaks. It's really amazing. These trees can actually form quite a protective layer of bark. The redwoods bring such an amazing sense of peace. I love walking beneath them and just hanging out in their own little microclimate and having the ability to feel how moist it is all around, see that lush green foliage. These trees have been here for so long. They can live on average anywhere from 500 to 700 years, but at times can even live past 2,000 years. So when I walk out into the forest, I think about that. I think about how much they've actually been able to see and the history that these guys have been a part of.